how to do a purchase order inside WorkBook. So this is a purchase order, the printout that you can send to your supplier. And if we go back to the system, I've now found this particular job in which I want to apply a new purchase order to. I'll select purchase order from my list of functions here, and then once you create a new purchase order, this is the window that will then appear for you. Now from here, you can then select your supplier, of course, and you can select the contact you have with that supplier. The system will populate supplier address and so forth automatically. You can also input the agreed price that you've negotiated with your supplier. If you want to have any markup applied to that, just as a internal reference inside the system, you can apply that, for instance, 50% or 1.5, and you can then see how much you will earn on this particular purchase. The details tab here allows you to specify exactly what it is that you're ordering from this particular supplier. And once you are good with this, you can then go ahead and click the reports button here and have a draft print made of the purchase order, which will look like this. And then if you're satisfied, you can click the approve button here. The system will now check if there are any approval process that has been set up in WorkBook, and of course apply the employees that need to approve this purchase before you're able to actually send it out to your supplier. As a last thing, once the purchase order gets approved, you will then be able to see it from the expenditures section here as expenditure purchase order as a preliminary cost that has been made to this job without having the real invoice from the supplier yet. So at a very early stage, you can then see how that purchase affects your job.